if you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Settler series. I am Guna Mathivanan from Offices IAS Academy. In today's video, we will be discussing PM Cares Fund. So, Prime Minister, Citizen Assistance and Relief. Prime Minister, Citizen Assistance and Relief in emergency situations. Prime Minister, Citizen Assistance Relief in emergency situation is the PM Cares Fund. Okay, so this was set up in the year 2020 in response to COVID. But however, this amount, the fund money collected, it can be used for other emergency situations also. Though it was collected, set up during the COVID period, don't think the money should be used only for COVID related assistance and relief. It can be used for any other purpose also. So this PM Cares Fund has been set up as a public charitable trust. The trust is headed by Prime Minister. Who are the other trustees? We have three more trustees: Home Minister, Defense Minister, Finance Ministers. They will be other trustees. Prime Minister will be the chairperson of this trust. So PM Cares Fund, Prime Minister Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund. So that fund can be used for any emergency situation. That emergency can be man-made emergency or it can be natural emergency. To tackle that emergency situation, it can be man-made or natural. The money can be used. This money can be used for providing relief. This money can be used for improving the infrastructure. For example, government can use this money for strengthening the hospitals, can improve the number of hospitals, can strengthen the existing diagnostic centers, equipments can be purchased. All these can be done with the help of this PM Cares Fund. Alright, so who can donate? You and me can donate. Foreign companies can also donate. Right, there is no restrictions. So when we donate, whatever amount we donate, that is exempted from income tax. 100% exempted from income tax. Right, so I am donating 10 lakh rupees for PM Cares Fund. For that 10 lakh rupees, I need not pay income tax. Assume I am earning 1 crore rupees. Assume I am earning 1 crore. In the 10 lakh rupees, I am paying for PM Cares Fund. So while paying income tax, I will pay income tax only for 90 lakhs because 10 lakhs I have given for PM Cares Fund. That amount is exempted from income tax. Similarly, corporates, there is something called as corporate social responsibility. Put it simply, briefly I am telling you about CSR, and some other topic we will discuss about CSR in detail. The corporates, they have to roughly 2% of their profits. 2% of the profits, they have to devote it for corporate social responsibility purposes. The concept is the corporates makes money from the society. So some profit has to be shared with the society. So 2% of the profit has to be shared to the society on various activities. That is called as CSR. So the CSR funds can also be donated for PM Cares Fund. So you and me, we can donate. The companies, as a part of corporate social responsibility, 2% they have to spend for social activities. That 2%, in that any amount they can donate it for PM Cares Fund. Foreign companies can also donate it for PM Cares Fund. There's something called as Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. So PM Cares Fund is exempted from that act. So PM Cares Fund can also receive foreign contribution. There will be a third party. There will be a third party to audit how much amount came inside, how much amount is being used. There will be a third party to audit. Alright. So why it was a news? Government revealed the data. Government revealed the data. So 12,632 crores has been collected under this fund, in which 12,157 crores came from the domestic voluntary contribution, 535 crores came from foreign contributions. Again, the numbers are not important. Know about PM CARES fund. That is what is important. I hope the topic was useful. So I will see you tomorrow with another interesting topic. Till then, bye. Take care.